Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram on already posted. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on profile picture in the right bottom, and then you simply need to select any random post or reel. So I'm going to select this one for example. Click on three dots and click on edit. Scroll down and here you can see edit paid partnership label. Click on that. You simply need to turn this feature on from here, and you can add brand partners and click on the tick mark on the top right. Click on tick mark again, and after that paid partnership label is added. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.